This is my 1995 BMW E36 M3, and we'll be doing brakes and rotors all around. I apologize for my my mic situation. I don't have a proper mic on here, but I figured what the hell, let's just get this first video out the way. If you're into cars or riding bikes, consider subscribing. I'm gonna try to pump out more videos about my M3. No real game plan right now, just gonna film whatever comes my way, I guess. But yeah, let's get to it. Currently I have drilled rotors on here, but they have a massive lip already, and the brake pads are pretty much done, so I don't want to slap a new pad on here. And these you can't really save, there's no resurfacing them or anything like that, so I'm just going to replace them with regular rotors and brakes from FCP Euro. Sometime down in the future I'll upgrade these, but for daily driving I don't really need anything fancy, especially for the price. I enjoyed these while they lasted. Front ones are done. I don't know if you can see them. I'm kind of gonna miss the drilled look, but it's alright. And then look at the back ones. The back ones are super cooked. Damn. Yeah, it's been a minute. Look how fat this lip is. Man, I'm pretty sure they're gonna be a pain in the ass because of all the springs and stuff. So I'm also doing the parking brakes, and I can already hear something is broken in there, because when I'm driving, from time to time, it'll start squeaking. Like a spring or something in there is just gone, and it constantly just rubs. And I pull the e-brake up, it goes away, release the e-brake, it comes back. So something's playing around in there. I just have to get in there and see what's going on. I think the car looks way better with these, but back to some OEM Plus rotors, and that's basically it. I'll see what else I can film. Yeah, if you want to see more of this car, go ahead and subscribe, like. This is my first video to my new channel, so I would really appreciate it if you guys showed some support, motivate me to keep making these videos or whatever. But yeah, see you guys on the next one.